Alright, here with engine 657. This is a 1900 TDI Pumpe Deuse engine. The car was in a wreck, so the mileage is unknown and I couldn't turn the ignition on. I got the computer for this one. It's a 2006, yeah, that's what I thought. The engine code is ASZ, Alpha Sierra Zulu. That's the 131 horsepower one of the Pumpe Deuse one, so it's a replacement for like the ATD BEW. The engine has a turbo on it, but the housing is broken on the turbo. It has a oil holder in the oil pan. You can see the front pulley is missing. Engine turns over, you can actually feel the compression. Oil filter housing is broken, but all those parts fit from the regular PD one. The tranny on it is a 6-speed. It's the DRW Delta Romeo Whiskey 6-speed for the TDI. So somebody that wants to get some more power of the car out of their car, this is perfect, and it just works like a ATD BEW if you want to use your computer on it. So that's the main difference. Otherwise, you can see it's looks really nice. So I don't think you can beat the price on this one.